Henllan Bread's a family wholesale bakery, 5th generation. We've been established 1908. We deliver North Wales, Mid Wales and the North West, bread, morning goods and confectionery. We've had plenty of support from trading standards. They're always there if we need to phone them. We can just pick up the phone and they'll answer our questions straight away. So in 2014, the new food labelling regulation came through. So we had people from trading standards come down, speak to us and guide us through what we needed to do in the business. Without their support, we wouldn't have been able to hit the deadline that we needed to do for December 2014. It was very easy to get advice and support from Denbighshire County Council. They're literally a phone call away. They also do workshops and courses which are also great for us to attend and learn about what we need to do for the future. The help we've had from Denbighshire County Council has been huge. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to grow as much as we have over the past couple of years from different projects, from recycling, labels, waste, etc. So it really has been beneficial to us. We've had a huge growth in the past 12 months from 60 staff to 70 staff, and a lot of this has come from new orders, increased products, and also exporting now over to America, Dubai, etc. So yeah, the help has been huge, and they've also come in because we've had to do different legalisation for foreign customers. With their support, it's helped us to export to America, the Far East, and other countries in Europe. Every business should invest the money at the end of the year back into the business. We've invested huge amounts in new machinery, new ovens, etc. to get better efficiencies and the product also a lot better quality.